Hi, I'm Charlotte Schreiner of Charlotte & Associates with RE/MAX Gateway. Welcome to my newest listing at 203 Mill Cross Lane in Occoquan, Virginia. Do you know somebody that's still looking for a holiday present? Well, come on in and check it out. I've got the perfect one. So the best present anybody can have is the gift of home ownership. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, 2 half baths, 3 finished levels, and a garage, all in downtown Occoquan. Shopping, dining, and a fabulous location for commuting. It can't be beat. If you want more information, call me or text 703-298-0689 or visit my website at charlotteschreiner.com. Thanks.